Greetings and welcome to In Printing Color. My name is Liz, aka Pez Liz, and with In Printing Color and of course all my content, I aim to provide content that inspires you to learn, make, and share with confidence. And one thing that makes me super confident is being able to showcase models that friends design with beautiful filaments that Polymaker makes. So Polymaker recently released a whole bunch of brand new gradients. One of the collections of gradients that I'm absolutely in love with is the Celestial line. I've shown a couple different things already. This is a Dave Makes Stuff icicle dish done in the Celestial blue purple gradient. But the gradient that we're going to talk about today is the Celestial Rainbow. And one of the best examples of getting the most out of your color from your Celestial Rainbow is this really lovely drum bowl by our friend Daddy Wazzy. Now, if I put this up really close to the camera, you're going to be able to see sparkle and shine and shimmer. This is an absolutely gorgeous gradient. I've also, as I do with my gradients, I've used James the Printer's mid-century desktop shelf. And as you can see with this beautiful gradient, you get the yellow, the purple, the pink, the blue, the green, all the gorgeous colors of celestial filaments in this rainbow candy colored delight. So let's take a look at this filament over on the Polymaker website. The Panchroma Gradient Celestial is part of the Celestial family, and the Celestial filament is designed to create a smooth, ethereal color, of course, for all of you. And the transitions definitely flow really mellow and naturally. With this set of gradients, you're going to see some beautiful color transitions. So here is an example of a print done with the Celestial Rainbow. With this one, you can see the concentration. If we scroll up here, the concentration on the bottom because of the infill and the density of the print. In more with thinner walls, you can see the translucency, and we're going from the yellow to the pink to the purple to the blue in this case. Absolutely gorgeous filament. One thing that Polymaker does that's absolutely wonderful is on their website, they do list the color cycle for their colors. So the Celestial Rainbow is 160 grams. So if your model is 160 grams, or the models on your bed, all of them equal 160 grams, you're going to be able to get through the entire rainbow. In this case, with this model, you can see the purpley blue going to the blue, the green, the yellow, the yellow to the pink. So you don't get the entire gradient, but it's absolutely gorgeous with a model like this. So take a look at your, we've talked about this several times. Take a look at the model in the slicer and take a look at where you're starting on the spool of filament, and all kinds of magic can happen with the gradients. The Celestial Rainbow is absolutely gorgeous. Polymaker also has, of course, blue white, blue purple, and purple pink in the Celestial gradients. And if you go to the Celestial family, if you like a particular color, there is the Celestial blue, Celestial green, Celestial purple, Celestial white, the light yellow, the yellow, and the light pink. And I think that those colors, and of course the rainbows and gradients, lend to promise of even more colors to come in the Celestial family. And if you're not familiar with the Celestial family, it is a beautiful pastel filament with micro glitter. So you do not need a special nozzle. You don't need special print settings, and you can take advantage of the translucency of the filament depending on what you're printing. So more light will pass through with thinner walls, and you can get some beautiful results. So definitely take a look at the Celestial Gradient. Celestial Rainbow has been a stunning color for me, and happy printing.